Hello everybody, this is Professor Nancy Gonsalves. Today we have a topic which is PHP operators. PHP operators are used to perform various operations on variables and the values. Here I have three basic types of PHP operators. They are arithmetic operators, comparison operators and logical operators. Let us see them one by one. The first one is arithmetic operators. These operators are used to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, multiplication, division, etc. The operator along with the name is mentioned on the screen. The first one is addition, which is used to perform normal addition. Next, subtraction, which is used to perform normal subtraction. Next, multiplication, which is used to perform multiplication. Next, which is division, used to perform the division. Next is modulus. It returns the remainder of first operand divided by the second one. And the last one is exponent, which is it returns the first operand raised to the power of second operand. Let us see the example and program. First is the example of arithmetic operators. You have on your screen the first operator is addition. So we have $A plus $B. So plus is the symbol of addition operator. Next is subtraction. $A minus $B. So minus is the symbol of subtraction operator. Next, multiplication, which is $A asterisk $B, which is a symbol of multiplication. Next, division, $A forward slash $B, which is a symbol of division. Next is modulus, $A mod, which is percentage symbol, $B, which is the symbol of modulus. Last one is the exponent, $A 2 asterisk $B, which is 2 asterisk, which is a symbol of exponent. Next, we are moving on with the program. Here is a very simple program. What we have done here is, I have taken two variables, $A and $B, and assigned values to it, which is $A is equal to 10 and $B is equal to 2. Later, we are performing various operations on these variables by making use of arithmetic operators, such as the first one is addition. So I have $A plus $B. The result is stored in $C. So for that purpose, it is written on the screen, $C is equal to $A plus $B equal the addition result is stored in $C. So we are simply printing $C. Next is subtraction. Again here we have $C is equal to $A minus $B. So the subtraction result is stored in $C again. Next, multiplication. $C is equal to $A into $B, which is multiplication result is stored into $C and we are printing it. Next, $A divided by $B, again the result is stored in $C and we are just printing the division result. Next is $A double asterisk $B, which is an exponent, that is A raised to B, and the result again is stored in $C. This is a very simple program. Now for the demo purpose, I have written the same code on the notepad and I have saved it with arithmetic.php. This arithmetic.php file is stored under C drive, XAMPP folder, htdocs folder. Now in order to execute the program, I have to go to the XAMPP control panel and double click on Apache server. We need this Apache service for executing any PHP program. Then I go to the browser and I type localhost / name of my file. What is name of my file here? It is arithmetic.php. I just press an enter button and the result is printed on the screen. The first operand was arithmetic addition operand, which printed the result addition is equal to 12. The next one was subtraction, which is 10 minus 2, it printed the result 8. Next one was multiplication, which is 10 into 2, which is 20. Next was division, which is 10 divided by 2, it's 5. And next was exponent, which is 10 raised to 2, which is equal to 100. Next, we are moving on with the second operator, which is comparison operator. Let us see what comparison operator is. As the name suggests, this is used to compare two values. The operator along with the name is there on the screen. The first one is equal to operator. Next is not equal to, followed by greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Let us see the example and program. First, what we have is the examples of comparison operators. It goes as equal. $A is equal to $B. So it returns true if the left operand is equal to the right operand. Next, not equal. It returns true if the left operand is not equal to the right operand. Next, greater than. $A greater than $B. It returns true if the left operand is greater than the right operand. Next is less than. $A less than $B. It returns true if the left operand is less than the right operand. Next, greater than or equal to. What happens here is, it returns true if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. So we have two choices here. Next, less than or equal to. It returns true if the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand. We shall see the program now. The program seems to be lengthy, but it is very simple. What I have done is, I have taken two variables, $num1 is equal to, I have assigned value 1 to it, and $num2 I have assigned again value 1 to it. So we have two variables here, $1 is equal to 1, $num2 is equal to 1 again. I am just printing it. The $num1 is equal to the value, again num2 is equal to the value. Now we are going to use all the operators one by one. The first one was equal to. So it is if $num1 is equal to num2. So here 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so what we are going to get? The output equal is equal to true. If 1 is not equal to 1, then only the else part will get executed. Next operator is not equal to. So how do we write it? That if we are making use of if conditions for each operator. If $num1 not equal to $num2, what we are going to print is not equal is equal to true, else not equal is equal to false. Next, if $num1 greater than $num2, in our example it is 1 and 1. So is 1 greater than 1? No. So what we have? Echo num1 greater than num2, false. Next is, if $num1 less than $num2, what we have? Echo num1 is less than num2, else num1 is less than num2, false. Next, if $num1 greater than or equal to num2, we are going to print num1 greater than or equal to num2 is true, else num1 greater than or equal to num2 is false. The last category is less than equal to. So we have if condition as, if $num1 is less than equal to $num2, echo num1 less than or equal to num2, which is true, else num1 less than or equal to num2, which is false. Now we have the same program written in the notepad and saved as comparison.php in htdocs folder. Now for the output purpose, we need to go to the browser and type comparison.php and press enter button. What we have on the screen is the output. Let us see now. Num1 is 1, which was initialized to 1. So it is correct. Num2 is 1, which was again initialized to 1. Now we have various operators. Is num1 equal to num2? Equal is equal to true. Yes, they are equal. Not equal is equal to false, because since they are equal, not equal will be false. Next is num1 greater than num2, false, because 1 is equal to 1, it is not greater, so it is written false. Next is num1 less than num2, false again, because num1 and num2 is 1 and 1, so 1 is not less than 1, it is false. Next is num1 greater than or equal to num2. So we have two options here. It is represented by or. So num1, is it greater than num2? No. But is it equal? Yes. So the output is true. Next is num1 less than or equal to num2. So is num1 less than num2? 1 is less than 1? No. But we have another condition which is equal to. So is num1 equal to num2? Yes. So it is printing true. So two operators are done. We are moving on to the logical operators, which is our last category. Let us see it. What is logical operator? The logical operator are generally used when any action depends upon two or more conditions. The most common logical operators are and or. Let us see the example and program now. Example of logical operator. First we are going to focus on AND operator. What AND operator does? It returns true if both the operands or expressions are true. For example, we have an if condition now. Which two conditions do we have? 1 is greater than 1 and 1 is equal to 1. In this case, it will return true if both the conditions are true. Now, is 1 greater than 1? No. That means one condition is false. So, else part will execute, which is false. Now, let us focus on OR operator. The OR operator returns true if any one of the two operators or expressions returns true or both return true. So what is the difference between AND and OR? Now in OR case, see the if condition. 1 is greater than 1 or 1 is equal to 1. Now is 1 greater than 1? No. But here it is OR condition. So any one of the condition if it is true, for example, 1 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 1 is true and it is OR over here, then echo what will be printed? True. Let us see the program now. I have simple created two variables. The first is username and the second is password. My username is Nancy and my password is vacant. Now let us see the if condition by using AND operator. If in bracket $username and password, that means username and password both should be filled. What should be the echo statement? Okay. Else, what should be the echo statement? Echo, you forgot to fill out a field. Right, because the password is missing. So here, it will be checking my username whether it is present. So it is present. And it will also be checking my password, but it is not present. So the output will be echo, you forgot to fill out the field, because we are using AND operator, which needs two statements or conditions to be true. So let us see the example now. For the demo purpose, I have created the same program using Notepad and saved as logical.php into htdocs folder. Later, going to the browser, I have executed logical.php file. What do I get on the screen? You forgot to fill out a field. This is because you can see on the screen that my password is missing. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more videos.